Hey guys, so do you have marketing campaigns and you are trying to analyze them? Well, I have a wonderful spreadsheet here that can teach you and show you how to get the best out of your marketing campaigns. This is available in Google Sheets. And we're here on the first tab. This is my marketing dashboard. And then my marketing tracker is here. So you will put in the information of your sheet, and then everything will populate in this really pretty charts. Okay, so in the chart, it'll show you how much you've spent total on your campaigns, how much revenue you've made from them, and then how many conversions or orders or sales that you have had from the campaigns. This will also show you how much you're spending on your ads versus how much revenue you are making. This chart will show you your highest revenue by date. So some of the big ones you could see, you can click on it and then put your mouse over it and then see, what date was my campaign and then what was the highest revenue for that date. This is going to show you your highest return on investment, so your return on ad spend per campaign. So if you see here that it looks like your hot deal one was the best performer out of the other ones, and the other ones were pretty close. This one will show you your highest revenue by campaign. So it looks like your hot deal, like you could see here, your hot deal one made $275, and then your lowest campaign was your super deals one, and that only made $90. Okay, so we're going to the marketing tracker, and then we are going to delete this out, and then it will we'll just start fresh so you can see what we're doing. Okay, so if we have a marketing campaign, we're going to call it something special. Let's just call it the April deals. And then we're going to start this on the 1st of April. So you're going to put in your start date, your end date, and then what platform are you using? Are you using Facebook or TikTok? Or are you using Etsy? What platform is this campaign on? So say let's just say this one is on Etsy, and say you spent for the month, say you spent $200. And then on Etsy, you can say how many items you actually have advertised. So say you've advertised 20 of your products. Say you've got 1,000 impressions, so you're going to put in that information. You're going to put how many clicks came from the ads. Say it was 100 clicks, and then how many conversions or how many sales did you get from it. And so let's say that you got 30 sales, and then you made $600. Okay, so this is going to calculate your cost per click, your click-through rate, your conversion rate, your return on investment, and your ROAS. That's the return on ad spend. So, and then you can say whether or not your status is for that ad, if it's pending, active, complete, or pause. So say it's still active, and you can make notes like, loved this one, whatever. And then here, this is going to show you just in color, so you can quickly glance to see the darker it gets, the more revenue it made. So it's really, really dark. So say if you only made $50 on this one, then it's going to totally change everything. And then you're going to see, okay, the spring stars on Etsy, which I call it Betsy, just to be silly. So that one made you a lot of revenue. That one made $250, and then you spent 60 on that. So the lightest color for your ad spend, that is the least amount, and then the most amount you're spending, that's the darkest. So it's just an easy visual way. And then here it's going to show you how much you have spent total on ads, how much revenue you've made, and then how many conversions you've had. So this is a really easy way to just compare and see which ones of your, what campaigns are working the best. And you can really eyeball it and just kind of look at it, go, hey, I'm spending, $20 and I made 200. The highest ROAS, or the highest return on investment, those numbers are going to tell you whether or not your ads are working. So you really want to have your ROAS to be pretty high. So looking at that number here, the ones that are 6, 5, and I always like to say, like, if you spent, did you double your money? So if you spent 20 and you made 20, um, your ROAS is going to be 1, your return on investment is going to be 0. So what the best thing is to do at least double your money. So you want to see some 2s on the ROAS, and you want to see 1 on the return on investment. So that's to tell you how it's doing, how your ads are doing. You would like to just compare also, like, how much is your cost per click? Are you spending a lot on your cost per click? How much is your ads actually costing you? From what I have heard, that ads have really gotten a lot more expensive on some of the bigger platforms, Facebook. And then I also have heard that Etsy is a really, really cheap place to do ads. So if you guys do have products on Etsy, Etsy is a very inexpensive place to advertise your stuff. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. This tracker is available at savvyandthriving.com, and I'm happy to help you. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Have a